We messed up the sound again on this one. Sorry. This is a cool plant that you'll see when you get to the boardwalk. This one's called Rhododendron columbianum, and it's an Ericaceae. It's the second rhododendron that we learned in this class. The first one was Rhododendron occidentale, which we saw at Mount Tam. And the main difference between them is that this one is evergreen, so the leaves are present all year round. The other one was deciduous. And you can kind of tell, if you look at the leaf, it's much more leathery than Rhododendron occidentale, which has very delicate leaves. In both cases, they have their leaves arranged, they're alternate and simple, and they're kind of like helically arranged around the stem, so they end up looking, kind of like that plant in the background all clustered. What you have to do with this plant is smell it. On the underside of the leaves, it has this, it's densely covered in these kind of like plates that you can kind of rub off, and they're glands that produce a really, really nice smelling oil. It's a kind of terpene called ledol that's been used for a lot of medicinal purposes, and also, you can actually find it in shampoos and stuff like that. It's good for respiratory elements. What you do is you kind of boil the leaves and then breathe in the mist, but you have to be careful because it can be toxic in really high quantities. Here's a close-up of the leaves. So you can see they're like helically arranged along the branches. The plant itself is a woody shrub that takes over in boggy or wet places. It becomes really dense, but it's very sporadic in this part of California, and it's pretty sweet to see it in this place at Tamales State Park. It's way more common, further north, and it's really wide-ranging. It goes all the way up to British Columbia and out east to Montana. The common name is Western Labrador tea, because of the medicinal herbal teas that can be made from it. Definitely give it a smell. I think you're really going to like it. It's worth checking out the leaves too. They have a really pronounced central, mid vein that's kind of sunken, and then the edges of the leaf are rolled under, so it's almost like an upside down boat. You've seen that before. So this is Rhododendron columbianum in the Ericaceae. Oh, I just threw this in here. This is a video of an owl we saw. Keep an eye out.